you ever struggled with messy data? If yes, in today's video we will talk about the data cleaning essential concept. So, hello everyone, I'm Sonali Gupta. Welcome back to my channel. This is part second of our Excel for a data analysis series. In part 1 we discuss how to align data for a data analysis, and in today's video we will explore what data cleaning is, why it is important, and how to clean a messy data with a practical example. Data cleaning is the process of identifying and fixing an error in the raw data to make it more accurate and reliable for an analysis. Why it is important? Because it is used for analysis and to prepare provide meaningful insights from our data. If our data is not clean, then it will leads to the wrong calculation. It was not good for a data. For example, if we consider a sales data, in a sales data, if we have some dates are missing, so we have to make it correct, and some product name are not correctly formatted, like some spell as a mobile, some as a mobile. So we have to make it consistent. So these are all the steps we need to perform for our data cleaning. Now we talk about like what are all the steps we need to take for cleaning our data. First step is to identify problem, like if there is a duplicate rows, there is a blank entries, all of these things we have to first identify, then handle the missing data, removing a duplicates, fix formatting issue. If there is any inconsistency of a data, like there is a space and something with a symbol are showing in our data, so we need to clean that data. So now we move towards our data set of employee attendance, and with the practical example we see how we clean our data. This is our data set. For first step of a data cleaning is to identify the problem. In this we see that there are some blank cells are present, and the data is also inconsistent, like status, some are showing as a present, some p, and in the name column we see there are unusual space are there. So these are not good for our analysis. So what we can do firstly we need to select the particular column for highlighting a duplicate cells. Uh, if there is any duplicate data is present, for selecting a particular column we use a shortcut control plus a space bar, and then go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then the duplicate value. It will highlight the duplicate with a light red color if there is any. So we see there is no duplicate values are present here. So we don't need to remove any duplicate values. If there is any, so we need to remove it. So we have to clear that rule because it's not necessary. Now what we can do for a blank entry, if we have a reliable source for checking our data, for filling the missing values, so we fill with that reliable source. If we don't have, then what we can do, we put NA, like NA is not available, and we can paste NA entry for all the blank cell. And the next step is to fix formatting standard. For formatting standard, like we see in the status, there are not consistent data is there. So what we can do, we can go for a replace. For that we type control plus H shortcut. What we find present, present, and then replace with P. So it will replace all the present with the P, making our data good. Now it's still is not perfect, so we do for the absent cases also. For absent cases, we need find absent and then replace with the A. It replaces all. Now the status column, it looks good. If we see, is this still the data is not clean, for like there are inconsistent spaces are here. For that we need to select a particular column and insert a blank column with a shortcut control plus shift plus plus, and then what we need to do, we are using a trim function for removing any leading or trailing space from our cells. So this is the trim function we are using. Now we repeat this function with all the rows, and this is right now we are seeing that the trim b2, b3, b4, these are referencing with the b column. We have to remove one column. For removing that column, if we just directly remove that column, it will show error. It will show a reference error because we remove these entries. So what we need to do, we need to paste these value as a paste special. First select these all with the control C, then control V, and paste as a special by selecting 1 2 3, and now we are able to remove this column. Now it looks good. So this is all about the data cleaning we talk about in this video, and in the upcoming videos we will talk about the sorting, filtering, and some basic to advanced function and formulas. So if you found this content useful, then please like and share your thought in the comments section, and do subscribe my channel for stay updated with the upcoming videos. Thank you.